YouTube family, back with another video once again. All right, now I have this blue shirt. As you can see, it has a pattern on it, and that pattern is pretty much right here. Let me show y'all. So what I did was, you can go to Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michael's, anywhere, and get you some stencils that has the patterns on them. The stencil I use in particular is this one. As y'all can see, the pattern in the shirt, sort of like a tiger stripe, zebra stripe pattern or whatnot. Now what I'm going to do, let me cut my heat press on here. What I'm going to do today, I'm thinking about using some of this silver foil on that blue. Also, the excess that was still stuck to the stencil, I laid it on this shirt. So this shirt right here is really going to be a trowel because it's on there nice and thick. From where, I guess, you know, it bubbled up on the stencil, I flipped the stencil over and just started pressing it on the shirt like a stamp. All right. Wait till this heat press heats on up, and we'll lay the foil down and see how it comes out. You ready? Let's do it. All right. Here I go, brushing the stones into the design. As you can see, they brush in so easy. I think these are like some black AB stones, or whatever they are. They're just gorgeous. You know, grab another, you know, group of stones, go on a small circular motion over the circles. Typically works for me. I think that's the mailman. I thought that was the mailman. Need some help? All right, have a great one. All right. Finish this on now. Brush those stones away ever so smoothly. Sometimes you pour some stones down, and in case you just got a fresh bag, if you haven't just got a fresh bag, you'll be wondering, like, is it enough? Sometimes it is, sometimes it isn't. Those are the times where you you know you need a big bucket so you can just empty out the design and start over. Look at that, y'all. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just keep brushing, go ahead and finish this other side. And I'll finish this up and we'll get ready to put it on the shirt. Alright, Xcellent Dreamz here, back with another exclusive video for y'all. You know, check this shirt out right here. Like I said, it's already been sprayed. You know, using the Stencil and the Loctite spray adhesive. I let that dry on the shirt, you know what I mean? Get it under your heat press. What I'm using today is this silver foil. Just lay the foil over the shirt. Now you definitely want to cover up. I don't like any foil touching my heat press. So I like to cover it up, cover it up. Let's lock it in place. I like to give it typically about 20, sometimes 30 seconds. You know, so I got my heat press set on 60 seconds right now, just letting it count down. Let it get to 30. Beep! Alright, now what I want to do is just remove those and slide it over to get the rest of the shirt over here. I'll use another piece of silver for that part. That looks pretty cool like that. We'll leave it like that. Yep, that's cool. Cover it back up. Press it back in. Give it about another 20 seconds on this side, you know, 20, 30 seconds. As y'all can see, the skull shirt that I did yesterday, you know, I've been trying to edit the video, but been having complications. Alright, now when you're dealing with foil, it's a cold peel. So what you want to do is sit it to the side, let it cool down, move on to your next. The next one I have is the blue one, as mentioned earlier. Now this one is a test subject. I don't know how great this is going to come out, but we're going to see. We're going to go, since I don't know how great it's going to come out, I could go with the red. I could just go with the red over there, but let's go with the gold. Let's go with the gold. Now, we go ahead and cut out 3 sheets because I used 3 sheets last time. Alright. Place it over. Now this shit is super sticky, y'all. Trust and believe. Nope. Want to get that sleeve. So we're gonna get this piece right here again. So we only need that much foil then. Let's use that corner piece of that foil like that, y'all. Alright. Cover it up once again. That's all I do sometimes, y'all, is trial and error shit. See how it comes out.
Right.
This one is definitely cool now. Let's do the reveal. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. How he do them shirts? What'd you say?
What?
Hold on, last little piece. Look at that.
Wow. Look at that. Okay then.
Sick shit. Now all I gotta do is I'm gonna distress it a little bit more when I add some stones on it. Check out our fellow over here. Move him over. Get that other area and that other arm. Sticky as shit. It's sticking to itself. That's alright. Just spread that shit back out. Let's go in with the gold. Sometimes I like to press it in, layer it down. Throw my cover sheets back on. You know, lock it in.